Hey guys, this is Jay. Before getting started, download the project file, link in the description. First go to the folder you downloaded, open the PSD inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the background image inside your canvas. Now go to the image folder, create a layer. Go to color picker and select black color. Now go to shapes tool and select ellipse tool. Now by holding shift key, create a circle shape like so. We are going to use this shape as a image placeholder. Now go to the folder you downloaded, drag and drop the model image. Of course you can use your image. Now right click, create clip masking. Next enable free transform tool and resize the image. Once you are done, go to the text folder, create a layer, select white color and type in your text. Make sure the spacings are even. Once you are done, go to file, export, save for web. Choose PNG, click OK. Once you are done, your Facebook cover is ready.